Guys, by the way, you see here there's a lot of food particles, a lot of cakes. Sandy just ate her breakfast. This is how much dirt kids can pour all over. So yeah, guys, when you have a vacuum, it's just a plus. So I'm gonna vacuum, by the way, my chairs. Chloe is here with me, but I'm doing this in the middle of the night, and Chloe doesn't want to sleep, and I have to do this voiceover so that I can be able to edit this video before Friday reaches. Guys, you see this? I hope you can see this. There are two, what is it called? Two things down here. You can see one. You can switch this button, the black button, to the carpet mode or the floor mode. You get? I hope you can see, guys, the way I'm showing you, guys, and understand. Yeah. So when you want to vacuum your floor, you switch to those things that's like shaped like mini tiles. Yes, and then when you want to vacuum your carpet, you change to the other side that looks like a carpet, guys. And I hope it's clear enough for you to see that, guys. So yeah, let's start vacuuming the floors, guys. I'm checking here just to make sure that the white cloth you see there in the vacuum that's there, you always have to make sure that the white cloth is there so that you don't destroy your vacuum, so that that doesn't enter into the machine, guys. Always check to make sure that the white cloth is there, guys. The filter cloth is there. It's always important for you to check that, guys.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So guys, by there are so many brushes. You can see here in my paper there are so many brushes, guys. Yeah, so you can use any of those, guys. So yeah, for me, I want to change from the big brush of cleaning the floor and the carpet into the brush that can vacuum my chairs. You see, sometimes you have a party, or you guys, you know, if you have kids, they don't eat as you would want them to eat. They would eat and just pour stuff all over. So this helps to vacuum and remove those small particles that are stuck in between your chairs, guys, that you cannot see or you cannot reach. This really helps. So yeah, I'm switching my brush to the small brush so that I can be able to reach those parts, guys. And keep watching, guys, and enjoy this video. And this brush, guys, has two sides. I hope you can see this clearly. There's an arrow there that shows you where to take it upwards or downwards, just to your own preference.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself.
myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no. Time to when things were easier, before it got all complicated. Oh, just give me the strength to move on, cause I don't really wanna move on. I gotta do what's best for me. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no.
So guys, my baby Chloe is over here, so I'm just gonna move her. I was here with her because she kept on crying, so I just put her in the stroller and swing her, and she slept. So yeah, I gotta take her into the bedroom. Yeah, the dad is in the bedroom. Just gonna take her into the bedroom to stay with her dad, so that I can now vacuum this side of my sitting room, my chairs and my carpet. Guys, and I really hope you're enjoying this video. Keep watching, and I love you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't, and like this video guys. Please thumbs up for me.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. It's right, right.
Guys, look at how much dirt. Look at how much dirt is in this thing. Yes, guys, it's been so long since I vacuumed this much of my house, guys. And as you know, I think I ever did a video and told you guys that my house girl doesn't know how to vacuum. So she couldn't vacuum. The only thing she could do just remove the carpet or just wipe the chairs with a wet cloth. That's all she could do. But now that I got healed from my C-section, I had to vacuum everywhere, guys. I literally vacuum every corner of my house. I couldn't show you everywhere I vacuum, but I vacuumed so many places. And yes, this is so the dirt that is came from that. And you guys know that my vacuum cleaner is wet and dry vacuum cleaner, so it can also collect water, yeah, from rugs, from anywhere. So yeah, my doormat was a little bit wet, yeah, and that's why you can see some water in the vacuum, guys, in the tin vacuum, by the way. And because the fact that it's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, the vacuum doesn't get water. The water just goes directly into the tin, into the vacuum, that where the tin collects everything, the dirt, and then that's just the best, guys. And if you're considering to buy a vacuum cleaner, I would suggest that you buy a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, because you can also remove water from your floors, from your rug. This is the best thing about this, about wet and dry vacuum cleaner. And Ramtons, guys, is amazing and it's so strong. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate. And if you have watched up to now, guys, just know I love you so much, guys, and I appreciate you. And I'll see you on my next one. And if you have any questions about wet and dry vacuum cleaner, Ramtons wet and dry vacuum cleaner, you can ask me in the comment section, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.